Overall, 186,599 people have tested positive. That's an increase of 4,339 cases since yesterday. 14,248 people are currently being treated in hospital for coronavirus, compared to 14,695 yesterday. Sadly, of those who have tested positive for coronavirus across all settings, 28,446 have died. Behind the numbers, there's been an increase of 315 deaths since yesterday across all settings. This pandemic has claimed more than 28,000 lives, and each one of them is precious, each one valued, each one irreplaceable. And on testing, thanks to the hard work of so many across the NHS, Public Health England, our pharmaceutical sector and our universities, we have tested over 200,000 key workers and their families, allowing those who don't have the virus to go back to work and protecting those who do. We have now, of course, extended the criteria for testing beyond key workers to anyone over 65 displaying symptoms and anyone who has to travel to get to work. And this week, we will be piloting new test, track and trace procedures on the Isle of Wight, with a view to having them in place more widely later this month. Our teachers have worked incredibly hard to provide educational support to millions, and the government has committed £100 million to boost remote learning for those who need it most. Our newly launched Oak National Academy is supplementing all the work going on by schools and teachers by providing 180 video lessons each week. And we're particularly keen to help vulnerable and disadvantaged children carry on with their education during the pandemic. Schools continue to receive additional funding in the form of the pupil premium for those pupils who most deserve it, worth around £2.4 billion annually. And we've ordered laptops to help disadvantaged young people who will be sitting key exams next year. We're also providing laptops and tablets for those children with social workers and care leavers to help them stay in touch with the services they need, keeping them safe and supporting home learning. As with Christians who could not celebrate Easter together in church, and the Jewish community whose Passover rituals were affected by social distancing, our thoughts are with Muslim neighbours who cannot break their fast together and must adapt their religious and cultural practices because of the crisis.